Uh-oh. New holes in Loretta Lynch's story on Hillary's email investigation could present major legal problems. Christina Leila, Gateway Pundit reports, former Attorney General Loretta Lynch, under the Obama administration, is now denying allegations she assured the Clinton camp that the FBI's email probe would not go too far. She's denying that. This directly contradicts Comey's claim that Loretta Lynch did interfere with the 2016 presidential election by assuring Hillary's camp that the probe would be halted, as he did halt. Fired FBI Director James Comey had a second meeting with former Attorney General Loretta Lynch where he confronted her about her election interference. During that conversation, Comey told lawmakers he confronted Loretta Lynch with a highly sensitive piece of evidence and a communication between two political figures that suggested Lynch had agreed to put the kibosh on any prosecution of Clinton. This is what Circa News reported. Fox News reports, quote, former Attorney General Loretta Lynch is denying allegations she assured Hillary Clinton's campaign that the FBI's email server investigation would not go too far. The Senate Judiciary Committee is investigating a document. See, the committee has a document, and it's investigating the document which alleges Lynch contacted Amanda Rentiera, a Hillary Clinton campaign operative. Quote, to the best of her knowledge and recollection, neither Ms. Lynch nor any representative of the Office of the Attorney General discussed the Clinton email investigation with Ms. Rentiera, Representative Wasserman Schultz, or her staff, or any DNC official, end quote. This is what Loretta Lynch's spokesman countered. So she's not stating this herself. She's got somebody else making her statements for her. In a testimony before the House committee last year, Loretta Lynch stated she had not spoken to any members of the campaign or anyone affiliated with the campaign during the investigation. Lynch is expected to be called before the Senate panel to testify on the matter. Now, the New York Post reports, Paul Sperry of New York Post reports this, quote, the committee also wants to know if Loretta Lynch or any of her aides were in contact with former DNC chief Debbie Wasserman Schultz regarding the Clinton email investigation, according to a 3-page list of questions that Senate Judiciary Chairman Chuck Grassley and Ranking Democrat Dianne Feinstein, and there's various ways of pronouncing her last name, recently sent to Lynch at her New York apartment. Senate investigators have combed through a transcript of Lynch's testimony before the House Judiciary Committee, July of 2016. In retrospect, several of her statements strain credulity, but one in particular stands out and could present legal problems for Loretta Lynch, the former Attorney General. The committee, however, now knows that a document obtained by the FBI reportedly showing a Democratic operative's claim that Lynch had privately assured Rentiera that the Justice Department, quote, would not push too deeply, end quote, into the investigation of Clinton's private email server, which contained top secret information from the State Department. Now, all this, of course, if proven to be reality, will mean that Loretta Lynch was, in fact, obstructing justice, which is criminal. That's why Loretta Lynch is going around saying she has no idea of what was going on, she never told anyone not to stop the investigation, etc. If it's proved, if there is something in writing, if it's proven that she did give orders to stop the investigation, well, Comey in his testimony many times said she asked him to call it a matter and not an investigation, and he did. He changed the wording from matter to investigation. He also came out with a press release stating what he found, and also being judge and jury, saying that he did not believe that Hillary Clinton should be found guilty, should be prosecuted for what she did. So he did help Hillary put that behind her so that he could clear her path towards the White House, which was not to be. She was not elected president. Now, if Loretta Lynch is found giving orders either writing or I don't know how they're going to prove this, but they will get down to the bottom of it. I have faith that they're capable of doing that. She will be found guilty of obstruction of justice, which is a very serious thing, especially for a former Attorney General. So this is on the Gateway Pundit. I'll leave a link below for you for this.